Ooh, I wonder if I could rock a bob. Maybe that's what I need to do next. I don't know what my hair would look like. All right, let's cut through this bad boy quickly. Ugh, ow. Ugh. Because I know how you girls like to tussle. This is 3 months worth of shedding, and I will say this, my hair has gotten a lot thicker. It's a little dirty right now. It's dirty. Don't judge me. I'm gonna wash it. But I will say, like, the roots are a lot thicker. My hair's grown a lot. I think that I'm gonna leave it out for a week, give my scalp a break, wash, condition, do all of that, and then probably put it in mini twists or something for about a week and give my hair the opportunity to just relax. This is the healthiest that my hair has ever looked. I'm normally dyeing it or doing something extreme to it, and I feel the itch right now to dye it, but I'm just gonna leave it alone. Yeah, this is what my hair looks like after 3 months, and you can see other videos of where my hair was. I do have a video called I Cut Off All My Hair. That video was taken maybe 2 years ago now, and so from there to here, this is what my hair is looking like. Also, it is stretched, so when I do wash it and style it, I can show you the difference as well. So this is the final look. My hair feels soft, it smells amazing, and throughout the day it's gonna loosen up a little bit. Look at the shrinkage. Do you see this? Before my hair was out here, now it's right here. But it's okay. It's okay, because I got length. Don't worry about me. We just have to pull it, but we have it. Anyways, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye. I look like Pippi long stockings.